Akram Saab, you have just read the definition of political party.
Your case is
What about
now
section
in
104?
contrast to
Section 104 भी तो ये है ना कि political party contesting the election, they will be entitled for the results.
तो 104 पे मैं अलहदा से आऊंगा. Let me come to 104.
Mr. Salman, keep in mind that your submission is contradicting because Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, if I've understood him correctly, has argued that the proviso is a true proviso.
So remember both arguments can be taken into account.
There is now a variance.
But this is a question of law. I'll submit you can look at it two ways. Kindly see in the
Precisely,
paper
it's a
book.
question of law, therefore I'm putting it to you.
Yes.
That you are now arguing in a different vein.
Sometimes arguments are made in the alternative. I mean, your lordships can choose which argument to
What
accept.
argument is in the alternative to Mr. Faisal Siddiqui?
It can be, my lord. As an officer of
Is
the
it in
court,
the alternative to you yourself?
my lord, as an officer of the court, I can present different arguments, and your lordships can see which argument is ultimately weightier.
आगे बढ़े ना प्लीज.
जी मैं बढ़ रहा हूँ.
मैंने आपका अभी तक एक जुमला लिखा है.
जी मैं ये important जुमला है. This is the heart of the matter. Now kindly see in this paper book I present a judgment.
जजमेंट छोड़िए केस
ये बहुत जरूरी है on the question of proviso. What
अपना proposition बता दें.
Proposition ये है that the effect of the proviso is to extinguish the difference between seats won at the time of the general election, direct seats won at the time of the general election, and seats won subsequently on account of independents joining a political party. So my submission is that Article 51(6)(d) and E is providing a route to election to the National Assembly.
Why did the Constitution go through the trouble and bother of putting it in a proviso? If your interpretation is correct, in very simple language, the entire thing could have been put in one paragraph.
Well, that's a
Why put it as
stylistic.
a proviso?
That's a stylistic thing, and that is why I place reliance.
No, it's not. It's not stylistic. It's not stylistic because, as I asked Mr. Faisal Siddiqui, the proviso applies, and I think again you are also, with all due respect, not focusing on the opening words of the proviso.
Lord.
For the purposes of this paragraph,
Yes.
an independent, a true independent, can join a political party
Yes.
at any time through the life of of that particular assembly.
Yes, and
But that won't count insofar as the proportional representation is concerned.
this paragraph.
This is the reason why.
My Lord, मैं अर्ज करूं. This paragraph is in fact dealing with the proportional representation question and the seats to be won by each party on the basis of proportional representation. It is not dealing with subsequent events of an independent.
And therefore it is restricting the independence, firstly for the purposes of this proviso, and then within a time limit of 3 days.
Yes, but
Which seems to me, and I'm putting this question to you,
Yes, no.
to indicate that it is a true proviso and not a substantive provision.
My Lord, now let me come to page 63 of this paper book. I start at page 60 and then I'll come to our own case law where this particular judgment has been noted with approval.
Lekin Raja Saab, you have to take a specific position. Whether PTI candidates, 86 of them that contested elections as independents, they contested the elections as candidates of a political party, PTI.
My Lord,
Now that stance, you cannot change that stance, you see.
My Lord, there is the legal position and there is our position. The legal position is that the Election Commission treated us as independents, gave us symbols out of the symbols
Raja
allocated to
Saab,
independents.
as my Lord Justice Mansoor Ali Shah correctly stated, that it is such a great public importance issue that your petition was probably more important. That could not have been returned.
Should not have been
Now,
returned.
if you are abandoning that,
I'm not abandoning that. I'm
Again,
saying
you
that
see-
issue is before your lordships.
if we do not take notice of this matter under Article 184(3) of the Constitution, the people, their rights will be affected.
I bow and I say,
So you have to take a very clear stance.
My Lord, I don't know what will find favor with your lordships, so I'm making two submissions, two alternative submissions.
देखिए आपकी अगर बात ये होती, आपकी अगर ये बात होती कि आप रिजर्व सीट पीटीआई की रिजर्व सीट पे आप नॉमिनेटेड थी, जो पीटीआई के कैंडिडेट हैं उनको ना तो वहां जाना चाहिए था, ना उनको आजाद डिक्लेयर करना चाहिए.
हो गया ना.
हमारा नहीं वो तो आपने
कमीशन ने कर दिया,
आपने होने दिया।
उन्हें नहीं दिया सर, हमने
आपने challenge नहीं किया?
हम हाई कोर्ट में गए, हम इलेक्शन कमीशन में गए, हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए, बाय देन इलेक्शंस
लेकिन वापस चले गए।
एंड द सिचुएशन हैड चेंज्ड वेरी ड्रास्टिकली।
एजिटेट किए बगैर वापस चले गए।
नहीं सर, एजिटेट हमने किया, हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट आए, जब हमें वापस हो गया, उसके बाद इलेक्शन हो गया, वी देन गॉट इन्वॉल्वड इन आवर इलेक्शन
आपने
डिस्प्यूट।
चेंबर अपील फाइल नहीं की, आपने इस पिटीशन
ये काम नहीं किया, चेंबर अपील नहीं
तो
की,
आप
बाकी सब
अकेले,
कुछ किया
सलमान
हमने।
साहब ये आप अकेले लगे हुए थे। आपसे पूछना ये कि इतना इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, उस पे पार्टी कहाँ थी? इट वाज सच एन इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्वेश्चन।
Yes.
वेयर वाज
And
द
I was
पार्टी?
doing my best.
आपने जवाब तो दें।
जी जी,
आप
they
member
were
as-
relying on me. I suppose they thought I have raised this issue, and then when elections had happened and what happened to us, we were immediately involved before the election commission with our applications for recount and for re-examination and so on. The whole scenario changed after the 8th. Now kindly let me
आपने
just
सब आप ये नहीं समझते कि अगर आपकी पिटीशन आज लगी होती तो सिचुएशन ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट होती है।
Sir, वो आप लगा लें. It is in your
कैसे लगा
hands.
लें आपको? हम आज भी request नहीं कर
Then, my lord, then I would submit. Then, as my lord is pointing out, Justice Atar Manilla, this is in your lordship's
Please
power.
argue your case.
Yes, my lord.
Uh,
What I was